Good morning. I hope you're finding this is getting easier like I am. But however, today we do need to learn how to submit some work. You may have done it for some other class subjects. So let's get started. So today's a double. Don't forget, always start with marking attendance. So that's week 3, and this is our second lesson for the day. Maybe pause the video now and do that before you forget. Okay, so we're doing lessons 4 and 5. So lesson 4 is corrosion, and it's a pretty straightforward. There's 5 easy steps where you load up the Word document and the PowerPoint and do the various stages: pre-questions, watching the video, summarizing the video, post-questions, and of course, I would save that to your Word document. That'll be lesson 4. And then we need to go to lesson 5 at the start of, or finish earlier, which is the reviewing. And so we have finished section chapter 3.1. And so we want you to do the review section. So loading on that, I'll just quickly open up the file. Again, you would save that as a Word document because you can type all your answers on by adding pages. So remember, we are most probably done the reading. We have all these questions to do, and you need to submit the work. We have Mr. Lambert has done a couple of videos, one on revising the work and two on how to help you maneuver around the pages to find your answers. So some hints, very helpful hints for you to do. So upon completing it, make sure you save this again to your Google Drive, and then when you are ready to submit, you'll go to the class page. You'll scroll down to the section here, which is questions 3.1, combustion and corrosion. And you'll have till Friday, 5 o'clock. So you've got a couple of days to get that done. We have a video on how to do that. So if you go to video on how to submit chapter 3.1, I'll just very briefly, it's just quickly click on that hyperlink and you'll get an explanation by Mr. Fifield. All right, so having submitted the work, okay, as a repeat, it needs to be due by Friday, or you can have a late submission by Sunday. And that is all we need to do for this double with extra work if needed for those questions. So have a great day. Don't forget, use the forum or email if you have any questions. Cheers.